In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Etsy shop to your Wix website. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate your Etsy shop with your Wix site, you've landed on the right guide. This is a perfect way to manage your products in one spot and potentially reach a broader audience. Let's dive into the process step by step. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Wix account and navigate to your Wix site's dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website, where you can manage everything from the design to the functions. Once you're in your dashboard, you want to look to the left-hand side and click on the Apps tab. This is where Wix offers a variety of tools and add-ons to enhance your site. With the Apps section opened, you'll next want to head to the App Market. This is a treasure trove of additional functionalities you can add to your website. Think of it as an app store, but specifically for your site. In the App Market, locate the search bar. You're going to type in the word Etsy. This will show you a plethora of options related to Etsy, but stay focused on our goal today. When the search results load, keep an eye out for an app called Etsy Integration. This is the crucial tool you need because it provides a direct connection between your Etsy shop and your Wix site. Click on Etsy Integration to get more detailed information about what it offers and how it works. At this point, you're just a step away. Click on the Add to Site button. However, it's important to note that in order to use this integration, you'll need to have a premium plan on Wix. If you haven't purchased a premium plan yet, now's a good time to consider upgrading. It will grant you access to features beyond just the Etsy integration, like removing Wix ads and unlocking a custom domain, making it a worthwhile investment if you're seriously looking to expand your business. Once you've ensured you have a premium plan and have added the Etsy integration app to your site, follow any additional prompts or setup instructions provided by Wix. These prompts generally guide you through the process of linking your Etsy account and customizing how your products are displayed on your Wix site. And just like that, you're all set. You should now see your Etsy products showcased beautifully on your Wix website, ready for visitors to browse and purchase. It's a fantastic way to streamline operations and keep everything under one roof. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I wish you the best with your integrated Etsy shop and Wix website. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy selling.